They would wait until someone died. They would gather all bones and then they would take them up onto the hill and put them in a cave, and they would put them to sleep then in their own country, in their own territory.
Bo 1948 and Jabir ni men gun morung lama.
Expedition to Arnhem Land.
Many thousands of indigenous people from outside the United States were collected. Indigenous bodies were especially prized.
When I heard that was happening, these people were taken away, and I thought, okay, I want them and their spirit. And this is their land. This is where they should be buried and left. It's a true story, real true document. It will go back to my grandson and grandson, and will go on forever.